What are you doing today, Danielle?
Fishing!
We're going fishing!
I've got my fishing glasses on. That's what we're gonna catch today, hopefully. Not that. That is bad for you.
I know.
So now I got my fishing glasses on, for real. The guy didn't like my heart ones. This is the only fish we caught today. What are we doing?
We are going south.
They have the best mojitos, so we're gonna give it a try.
It's good.
Jacob rated it a 4. Now for the real test.
That's a real test because I think they're all good.
I might even say a 4 too.
Oh wow, you rated it higher than me? Alright, guys.
This is so good.
Ah.
Oh, that's good.
We are 90 miles to Cuba.
Here's my shave ice.
All right. Those shades are brilliant.
Now, if I was pretending to be Australian, it would be banana.
Banana.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. And you're good.
Mr. Chicken. Mitt, give me my phone.
What?
You wanted oysters. There's no
Completely
oysters.
forgot about that.
Yeah. How was the food?
Phenomenal. The oysters here are really freaking good.
We destroyed everything. On the road again.
The whole sunset. Drink it from.
That time I didn't get scared. Oh, that big one's coming.
That big boy's not afraid.
It's time to return our bikes. Sad. Oh no! Our last coffee. Hello, chubby little lizard. Oh! I'm sad. I'm not ready to go. The car still smells like ginger. Starting our journey home.
Last mojito.
We don't have high hopes for it.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Not good. This looks good though.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's not very good. It doesn't even say Houston on there, just says
It says Katie. We got our last piece of key lime pie.
it's the last one. Cheers.
Cheers. That was romantic. We have put on our matching shirts. It has a chicken on it.
A chicken.
That's a COVID kiss.